Just to confirm, you can see me clearly, right? Just on my screen and me both clearly, right? Everyone, please confirm, please. We'll slowly start now from scratch, from the basics. Yes, please. Everyone, please. I'll wait.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's visible.
Perfect. Perfect.
We can
Perfect.
see the screen, but not you, sir.
Oh my God. Oh, it's important to see me as well and my expressions. It's important.
No.
Okay. Others,
can
you
see
are
only
able to see
screen.
me. Others, you're able to see me, everyone, please. Yes, see me. Red shirt, dark skin. Yes. You see me, right? Others, please.
You are not visible.
Oh, is it? Others, please. Can you see me? Others, please.
I can see you, sir.
Yeah. This should be. Attendees logged in from mobile. Please see if we can log in from your desktop. Okay, if possible. Desktop or laptop, please, if possible. Please, better, safe side. Fine. We'll start our session anyway. Background sound. Thank you. And thanks for muting from your end. So agenda for today, first 10-15 minutes we'll understand what is database and what are our job roles. Then next 30 minutes, I'll be guiding you how to install the software. Tomorrow, first 30 minutes again revising the installation in more detail, and then we'll start our practice. Notes, assignments, I will take care. And complete practice, I will take care. Please follow my guidelines as is for best results. Please help me. For example, here it is. You'll be receiving the notes in a Google Drive. 15 chapters each time. Complete notes, I mean the actual reading notes and practice notes and assignments for every concept. You see on my screen. You'll be receiving 15 concepts at a time in Google Drive. You need to take print copy of all the Word documents. Please take print copy of the Word documents. Keep them on the left side of your computer, please. Right side you'll be having some paper and pen or some book and pen to write your observation notes. And then you'll WhatsApp me after the class every day throughout the course. Please, my kind request. Let's get started slowly. This is Sai Panindra from SQL School. I assure you practical step-by-step classes for your resume, for your job work, for your safe and happy job desk activities. Trust me, I'll be very clear in my activities, practical items. I want you to give me your best. Attendees who are practicing on time, responding to the questions in the class will get more and more. Attendees who are providing WhatsApp of your observation notes, not detailed notes, not required. Detailed notes I'll provide you. Only keywords you need to give me after the class on WhatsApp every day. Something like this on my screen now. Just keywords, only keywords enough. Date and concept name and keywords that you learned, enough. We'll provide you with more information in reply to those messages. And attendees who submit the assignments on time in our website portal, you'll be given a login name, you'll be given a login portal to submit all your assignments. I have an active 100% happy team with me who will be actively looking forward for your submissions. They'll reply you as soon as possible. They will be your first level contact for all your doubts during your practice. And I will be your second level point of contact. And I will be your escalation point. Any concerns, any issues, I'll be there to guide you throughout the course and after the course. And attendees who showcase more will have access to my free monthly webinars from this month. I have been conducting free monthly webinars to all my active participants for more than 8 years. You want to be one of them? I want you to learn the subject with me carefully. Let's get started slowly now. The agenda for next 10 minutes, what is database, what are the types of database, what is DBMS, and what is SQL Server. Then very important, we are going to learn SQL, TSQL, and our actual job roles and responsibilities. Once we understand these 8 items, we go for a friendly talk regarding questions, doubts, clarifications on database platform. One-to-one questions, if any, regarding your resume, career, course selection, other stuff. We'll take it one-to-one after the class. Okay, I'll be calling each and one of you, everyone. I'll be calling you personally, and we'll be discussing about it anyway. We'll do. For now, let's talk about the database in this world, and then slowly step into installation. So what prerequisites we need? What are the system requirements? How to get the software downloaded? Where to install? How to install? What if we get any error? Let's get all those stuff carefully. So today's agenda: basic database intro and installation concept. Tomorrow, first half, installation in detail, and then start our practice. Trust me, by end of day after tomorrow's class, you will have 50 examples. Friends, we are learning for ourselves, we are learning for our job work. The count of examples are also important. I will make you do 50 examples live with careful, cautious activities by end of day after tomorrow. Need your support, so I want you to be active. Let's get started. Are we ready? Please, everyone, Raviteja, Kamala, Jaya, Deepak, Chandrika, Deepika, Anil, Aman. Are we ready? Please, everyone, live. Naresh, Pratap,
Yes,
Priya.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Everyone.
Yes,
Shravani, Soumya, Puneet. Yep.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Let's get started. So let's understand what is database, friends. We are all very new to database, but that's my assumption. Let's start from the scratch. Let's observe carefully what is database, why we need it. Let's get started slowly. What is database? Well, few minutes back, before our class, just before our class, we ordered one laptop for our, like one of our new team member at our SQL school in our high-tech city office, Hyderabad. And we ordered the laptop, and we got one invoice, right? The invoice has barcode to register online. Now I was wondering, how come Amazon is storing all the barcodes, the product codes? Definitely it's not Excel, it's not PDF. Let's think big. In olden days, yes, to store data, we have Excel, PDF, Notepad, Word document, etc. But how to store passwords? How to store QR codes? How to store OTPs? How to store CAPTCHA codes? There comes our new friend in our life, database. A platform to store any type of data, any amount of data. Any type of data means barcodes, QR codes, passwords, CAPTCHA codes, anything. No exceptions. So regular Excel and PDF or doc file will not store this kind of data, right? So database has its own beauty. Are we getting it? Please, everyone. We'll go for questions in another 10 minutes. Are we getting it? Please, everyone. Please respond. Please. Are we getting it? Please, I'll wait. Yes, please. Mic with you all. Yep.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Perfect. Perfect. Thank you. Now, take any project, any company. You will travel from your home to office. You see a lot of companies, right? To the road, left and right. Take any company, any organization, any small or big office, data is common. So database is a necessary prerequisite. Fully secured, easy to organize, supports cloud and AI capabilities, part of my classes. From later next week, we are stepping into AI with database platforms, practically with examples. So I can assure you, yes, database platform is one of the safest job platform. 100% safe platform because of the dependency. Data is mandatory. Databases are mandatory. And there are two types of databases, remember. Let's imagine our house. Let's assume my house, okay? I have a living room and a store room. Living room hall we call, right? The entrance hall, living room. That is like a showroom of your, say, car or bike showroom, something like that, a shop. The other one, storeroom, is like a godown, outskirts of the city or somewhere in the cellar. Why these examples all of a sudden? To understand the types of databases on my screen now. We have OLTP, data warehouse, two types of databases. These are the basic types of databases, remember. OLTP, to actually store live real-time data, online transaction processing databases, to store live data, real-time data, live temperature data, live stock market operations. We have OLTP. Anything live, just like our live class. Anything live, real-time we call OLTP. Other one is like our godown or the storeroom in our house, warehouse, to store old data, historical data, inactive data. Anything old, we have warehouse. Why we are learning these? To understand our actual job roles, remember. Yes, developers will be involved in design of OLTP databases. Data engineers will be involved in design of data warehouse databases, remember. I repeat again, OLTP, developer job role. Data engineers, data warehouse. So data warehouse is data engineer job role. We have analysts and DBAs. Analysts are mainly for reporting activities. Administrators for all kinds of management, monitoring activities. Any kind of management, security, monitoring, troubleshooting, DBA, Database Administrator. So two different databases gives us four important job roles. So any project will have separate teams for development, DBAs, engineers, and analysts. Let's understand the end-to-end life cycle of database platform. The end-to-end life cycle of database platform on my screen. Friends, this diagram is surely going to help you for next 5 to 10 years. Trust me, it works. Because this is the actual standard format for the workflow of a database in cloud. You take Azure BI Cloud or Amazon or Alibaba or Snowflake or Databricks or Google Cloud, anywhere, any cloud, the same model. The birthplace of data apps, IoT, Internet of Things. Like for example, my mobile is a simple example of IoT. I'm using a basic mobile anyway, that's different. Next, IoT, web, forms, etc. So the birthplace of data, they are going to produce data. For example, to attend the class live today online, you register on our website, or through some other social media, or through one of our vendors, because we've been training vendors for few companies, startup companies, and few CMM level companies. So some way or the other, your data is coming to us into our database. Your email and contact number that you wish to make it available for us. So we store them live, OLTP. So different companies have different database products to store live data. We have SQL Server from Microsoft, MS SQL, that we call it MS SQL, then MySQL from Oracle, MySQL used to be a separate company in the past. Recently, it got acquired by Oracle. Recently means few years back. Oracle has its own separate OLTP product, Postgres, Amazon RDS, etc. So each of these items we have separate courses. Each of these items we have developer jobs, DBA jobs. So MS SQL developer is different, MS SQL DBA is different, MySQL developer is different, MySQL DBA is different, Oracle SQL developer, Oracle SQL DBA. Just like this, friends, car plant and service. Honda cars, separate car plant, separate service center. Again, Benz, separate car plant, separate service center. Audi, separate car plant, separate service center, something like that. Different brands, different companies. Development is different, administration is different. So dev, DBA, separate opposite ends. Same technology. But developers and DBAs are mainly for OLTP activities, like at the car plant. Now, as the data grows bigger, we need to manage it separately. So there comes the need for big data we call warehouse. What is that? Warehouse. Snowflake, Amazon Redshift, Spark database, Azure Synapse database. These are all the very, very commonly used cloud warehouses. To pick data from OLTP, left yellow box, and to place it to the right side warehouse, cloud warehouse, we require something called ETL, extract, transform, load. Extract, transform, and load. I'll show you the keyword in next few slides. That ETL has separate tools like Azure Data Factory, Fabric Data Factory, Amazon Glue, Snowpark, DBT tool, Databricks, etc. There are different cloud ETL environments, and ETL plus warehouse together is a job role for data engineers. So what they do, the live data from OLTP and sometimes non-database data from the source will be taken to the warehouse, will be parked into warehouse by ETL tools. Data engineers will take care of it. What next? Reports, analytics, data analysis teams will be involved in analytic activities like Power BI, Excel, Tableau, etc. And we have data scientist teams involved in AI, ML activities as well separately. So data analysts and data scientists are the actual stakeholders, or those are the main end users. The backend team would be development, DBAs, and data engineers. So Microsoft has a lot of certifications for all these items. And I'll be providing you my inputs completely into project orientation and certification orientation for whichever job stream you are planning to opt for. You can be a starter, you'll enjoy my course. You can be a working professional, IT or non-IT professional, definitely I can make you attracted towards my classes and examples. Pretty sure about it. I have a lot of content outside Google, outside ChatGPT to make you learn the actual concepts, trust me. I repeat my statement again. I have a lot of content with me, and majority of my activities or the assignments we do, the interview questions that I furnish in the class are outside Google, outside ChatGPT. I do sell interview questions. I request you to follow me on LinkedIn. I do sell interview questions to a lot of companies. Every information my LinkedIn as usual. I request you to follow me on LinkedIn after the class today. Let's understand the subject carefully. It works. Googling ChatGPT will not work all the time, especially for working professionals. Freshers, it's okay. Understand the subject, go to Google, get the interview questions done. But experience profiles, yes, we should be into the things carefully. I am here to guide you. Yes, here it is. With this small content, let's go into the actual job roles. What is that? Let's see. Very simple and straight. Let me take you to one particular slide wherein I'll be providing you the actual job roles here. So just wait for a few moments, please. Yep. I think I got it now. Yep, I got it here. Yes, we'll be starting our classes today from the basic installation activity on my screen now. We'll be starting with the yellow box, okay? The database concepts, MS SQL and TSQL concepts first. With the detailed architecture and tuning activities. I was mentioning by end of day after tomorrow's class, we are going to hit a half century. Apart from that, by end of day after tomorrow's class, I'll be asking you 5 important questions and give you 24 hours time to get me the answers. Googling and ChatGPT will not work, but you go through my notes carefully, you have the answers over there. I mean to say, friends, things are very simple. Let's love it. Database is damn easy. Let's put at our heart and learn. Very straightforward, very cool concept, friends, really. It's not like mathematics. It's not like chemistry. It's not like biology or history. No, it's like our everyday English without any grammar or limited grammar. Trust me. It's very simple and straightforward concepts. I'm sure you'll love it. With these encouraging words, let's get started slowly with the installation. We will be learning more about the job roles. After the class today, I will be calling you individually. I need to understand personally what exactly your profile is, right? I need to understand specifically the actual expected takeaways from my course. And I need to understand your resume plan. And we need to chalk out a proper plan as well for your resume activities. Usually from second weekend of the course, we'll be having the resume planning activities in my classes. We'll be discussing about them separately, one-to-one call. And during the call, I'll be providing you more information about the actual job roles that you're opting for. For example, you are a data analyst. I need to provide you a complete checklist of what data analysts need to do, what we need to learn, what companies are hiring, what are the recent job descriptions. Everything important for us. The recent job descriptions are very important. We should know what's being asked in the interviews. We should know what's being expected in the job descriptions, right? I have everything with me that you need. So we'll have one-to-one call after the class. For now, let's slowly step into our installation. I repeat once again, friends, what we are learning slow for. What is database? Types of database. To understand the installation, we need to learn, apart from what is database, I'll just put it here again. We are learning what is database. We are learning types of database. Now, before we do the installation, the third one called DBMS. It is a software to build and design databases, manage databases, access databases, analyze, secure, troubleshoot, monitor databases. Database management system is a software. It's like a toolkit. It has a device to work with database in whatever format you want. Different devices, different operations. This DBMS software I'll be providing you today on email. Different companies sell different DBMS in the market. We are into SQL Server. If someone is looking for Oracle or MySQL, we are into MS SQL, Microsoft SQL. If someone is into Oracle or MySQL, Postgres, IBM DB2 or Amazon RDS. These are all different DBMS in the market. For them, we have separate courses, separate trainers. My experience is completely on Microsoft SQL only. Next, here, let's see how to install the software, this SQL Server. But why SQL Server, you can ask me. Why not something else, like why not Oracle? Why not IBM DB2? Or, for example, you have the Postgres as well. Why not that? Yes, we have different DBMS in the market, but the main advantage of SQL Server, it is comparatively cheaper and easy to use. Comparatively cheaper. At the same time, it's very, very user friendly. Very, very user friendly, SQL Server. Give me 3 minutes time today. I'll show you SQL Server installed in your computer. Just 3 minutes. I'll show you the installation now. I'll repeat the installation in great detail tomorrow in our next demo class tomorrow. Let me show you the overview of installation first. So for this purpose, here it is. First, I'll mail you the software, okay? I'll mail you 3 softwares today for everyone. I request you to download all 3. I'll revise installation once again tomorrow. But to understand tomorrow's class with ease, let's invest our valuable time getting some basic overview of installation today. So for this purpose, I said I'll provide you 3 different software, right? I'll mail it today after the class. Those softwares will be on the screen. 2019 SQL Server, 2022 SQL Server. What are these versions? Remember, what are these versions of SQL Server? Just like iPhone, we have iPhone 12, 13, 14, etc. iPhone versions. Same way, we have SQL Server versions also. I'll provide you total 2 versions of SQL Server. 2019, 2022. To play with these 2 servers, we need a tool, SSMS tool. SQL Server Management Studio tool. What is that? Let's see. In addition to these software download links, I'll provide you 2 documents. Of course, chapters 1 to 15, I'll provide you separate Google Drive link anyway. Once we confirm our things, we'll proceed anyway from tomorrow. As a part of our intro classes, these demo items, I'll provide you 2 documents. One is on the screen, introduction, explaining us what is database, types of database, job roles, etc. The complete plan, including installation links. Second document is the process we are going to follow for installation tomorrow. Here is the software installation plan, our lab plan. Tomorrow I'll be showing you how to install SQL Server total 2 times. You may ask me, Sai, why don't we go for a single installation? Why you see many boxes? Yes, we need to have more examples in less time, understanding things correctly in a step-by-step structured manner. Need your support? Download all 3 softwares. Windows 8 or higher operating system required. If you are using MacBook, please enable Windows inside Mac. Or install Parallels or some other virtual machine. Get Windows some way or the other ready for our classes. If not tomorrow, by day after tomorrow, please get your Windows OS ready. It's required for our classes. SQL Server can be installed on any OS, but complete installation is what we are looking for. We need Windows, please. What we are going to install today, a basic overview of SQL Server, DBMS software. Detailed installation tomorrow. To understand tomorrow's class, let's observe carefully. These are the versions of SQL Server. 2022 latest version, 2017, 2019 other versions, and we'll be having first two versions in our classes. 6 GB RAM, 10 GB disk space. Minimum software and hardware requirements on the screen. Let's see how to install. Firstly, download. I'll provide the required download links anyway. I'll provide the download links here. I'll do. You right click download, right click the downloaded file, extract. Then proceed with your installation as per the notes. How do you do this? Let's see. I'll show you. We'll repeat it tomorrow anyway. So here it is, friends, total 3 softwares. We'll start with 2022 first. This is the downloaded file. Right click, extract. Once you extract, you get a folder. Double click on the folder, you see a setup file. I repeat, you'll do it after the class today anyway. Let's observe carefully. Double click on the setup file. Once you double click on the setup file, next, you get one installation center. Click on system configuration checker, this one, SCC, system configuration checker. This tool is going to check whether our computer is ready for installation or not. Make sure everything is green. Any red, please WhatsApp me. I'll share you my LinkedIn profile, my WhatsApp, direct WhatsApp number after the class today. In fact, I'll be providing you contacting on WhatsApp for our one-to-one call after the class today. Make sure everything is green. Anything red, let me know. We need to connect on Google Meet if required and resolve the issues. For a happy start of our classes from tomorrow. Next, what is that? I repeat again, just in case. Download. Okay. Once you download, right click, extract. Once you extract, then double click on the setup file. This one, double click on the setup file. Once you double click on the setup file, come on, please, what we have to do here, please, I'll wait. Please, what we have to do, please, I'll wait. Yes, please, what we have to do? System configuration checker, okay, this one. See this one. System configuration checker. Click on the system configuration checker. Show details. Okay, make sure everything is set green. Any errors, let me know on WhatsApp. Once system configuration checker is done, then comes installation left. See, installation left, new installation right. This one. Installation left, new installation right. Let's wait. Installation left, new installation right. Once we click on new installation right, let's wait for some time. We get a new installation screen. Just 3 steps, 3 minutes, we are done with our installations. Okay, we get one setup screen like this. Remember, installation left, new installation right. Next. Let's wait for some time. Let's wait for some time. Next, we have something called evaluation developer. Evaluation 6 months trial, developer lifelong free. We are going to use both in our classes. For now, select evaluation next. Default is evaluation. 6 months trial. Accept licensing terms next. Uncheck Azure next. Check everything except uncheck Azure. And check database engine next. I'll include all these items in the class notes today. Please take print copy of the items and follow it carefully, please. Check database engine next. And then next step, give installation name. I'll say MS SQL installation 1. Any name is okay. And next. I repeat again, download, extract, double click the setup file. Then next, accept licensing terms, uncheck Azure, check database engine. Installation name, last final item, admin name, add current user as admin. Next, install. To make it easier, please observe carefully. I'll repeat it. Please observe carefully. Double click the setup file. Once you double click the setup file, come on, please. What next, please? I'll wait. Let's see. What next, please? Please, I'll wait. Mic with you all. Please, what next? I'll wait. Mic with you all.
System configuration checker.
Exactly.
System configuration.
Exactly. Thank you, attendees, been responsive. Yep, let's continue. Let's continue, friends. So here we go. Others, please. Okay, let's observe carefully. Yes, it should be system configuration checker to check whether our computer is ready to welcome SQL Server or not. It should be green, all green. If not, please do let me know. We'll step in there. Next. Come on, please. What's the next step? Please, I'll wait. Mic with everyone. Please, I'll wait.
Installation. New SQL
Exactly. Installation left. New installation right. Here it is. Installation left. New installation right. Okay. 2, 1. Left side 2, right side 1. Installation left. New installation right. Let's wait for a few moments. Let's wait. We are waiting for the next screen to arrive. Simple process. Let's observe carefully. Next. Let's wait. We'll get this once again tomorrow, first half. But good to write, our observation notes if possible today. And I'll provide the complete notes anyway. New installation. Next. See here, accept licensing terms next. Uncheck Azure. Azure is a Microsoft cloud platform. Yes, uncheck it for now. Next. Let's wait. Check database engine. Remember, purpose of database engine, OLTP. What is it? Live OLTP operations. And data warehouse also. OLTP and data warehouse activities, both. You remember 2 types of database are there, right? You remember, please, everyone? Yes, please.
Yes,
OLTP, data warehouse. Yes, Puneet. Yes.
And
Others hope you
DWH.
remember. Exactly. OLTP, DWH. So to support OLTP and DWH, you get database engine next. Let's wait for some time. Let's wait. Click next. Let's wait. Provide the installation name. I'll call it as MS SQL install 1. Give some name. Any name is okay, no problem, and next. Whenever you give a name, you get one ID automatically. We'll understand the differences between these items tomorrow's class, first half. Next, leave the remaining things to me. See, add current user as installation, add current user as admin. Add current user as admin. Next, click install. See here, click install like this. You are done. 2 to 3 minutes, your installation will be complete. I repeat again, friends, let's observe carefully. Okay, download. I'll provide the download link. Extract, then run setup file. There, system configuration checker. Next, installation, new installation. Okay, accept licensing terms. Uncheck Azure. Check database engine. Purpose of database engine, OLTP, data warehouse support. And next, installation name. Any name is okay. Then add current user as admin name. Then finally install. Yes, are we getting it? Please, I'll wait. Please, I'll wait for some time. I'll mail you all the content now. Yes, friends, everyone, please, are we getting it? I'll wait.
Yes, sir.
Yes. I'll mail you all this content now. And let's go one by one for doubts, clarifications. We'll see. Yes, friends. Before that, let me send you the email now. Then we'll be interacting one another slowly for our job roles and other things. In the meantime, emails and just now, friends, please check it. I'll wait, please. Emails and just now, kindly check it, please. I'll wait. Do not install, okay? You will do the actual installation tomorrow. I just showed you the process. Just run the setup file. That the SCC is there, right? System configuration checker. Run it and stop there. Actual installation, I'll guide you tomorrow anyway. There's a separate process to do the installation for better results. I gave you only the basic item today. Hope you got the email. Please let me know with 2 documents. Introduction, installation. Please check it, please. I'll wait.